What's up, people? How you guys doing? It's AJ, your online coach, coming at you again today. Making a video, doing my thing. You guys doing your statement? Coming to my park again, come to my closet. You know, I've been making some videos throughout the week and doing some different things. But you know, it's gotta come out and get my motivation. Making my walk. You know, so we're probably into the 20th of March. Where are we at? 17th? St. Patty's Day is tomorrow. You know, still got a couple more months to keep doing this thing. What have you guys get accomplished? What have you guys noticed? Have you noticed some of the things that you're saying actually connects you to the people of the things you're looking for? You know, like me yesterday, I made that video about I met that guy who does the landscaping. You know, in my statement it says my backyard is looking very luxurious, and what he's gonna do is actually come out to my house and make me a diagram of what he can do, and then send me a bid, and that's what he does. So he'll make up the backyard how I want it to be. He'll send it to me, and then if I want it, I go with him. No harm, no foul. But he'll do that for free for me. So that's actually a pretty good opportunity there for me. But you know, I'm out here in my wilderness here, saying my statement. Today's Friday. Got my statement here. Got my clicker. Make sure you guys do your deal. Write it down. I haven't seen no comments yet. But you know, like I said, this is a video diary for myself, and I can actually see some things coming, so it's actually pretty good. You know, and you commit to what you want to do. I know it's hard. Distractions are hard. You know, it's 21 days to change your habit, and if you don't do it, if you skip a day or two, then you got to start the 21-day cycle all over again. So try not to miss no days. But you know, as we keep doing it, the days and times, the lag time will get shorter and shorter. Before you know it, you'll be the 21 days straight without any missing, you know. But I'm going to say my statement now. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Tomorrow's Saturday. Let's see. I might even do some YouTube videos about, you know, my Uber deal. Because, you know, I'm doing the Uber thing. If you guys want to make some money, I'll have a link on the bottom. If you guys want to make some money, call me up. I'll show you how to make some money doing it. But that's about it for today. A little short video today. But, you know, do your thing. I'm doing my thing. Talk to you later. Ciao.